All right, so in this video lesson here, we're going to be showing you how you can download your own font from another website, install your font, and utilize it in the Cricut design space. Now, this lesson right here is going to be for the Mac users, and we're going to have a separate video for the Windows users out there. So typically, and we'll put a link list of some good font websites to go to in order to download and utilize in your design space. Because a lot of times when you go and try to download fonts, they may contain viruses or maybe even some extra programs that you really don't need, and we only want you going to trusted sites for fonts. So we'll put a list down below this video to help you with that. So this one right here is Dafont.com, and I just clicked the category. If we take a look at the main page here, I just clicked on the theme and I went to comic because I'm trying to look for some comic style fonts. Okay, so you can click this here. You can get a little more in-depth preview. You can even type your text here and you'll be able to see the text layout for you on the screen. Now, say I wanted this file. Well, I'm going to go over here to this download button. Now, you may see a lot of ads on your browser. Just make sure you're utilizing this download button and not an ad, okay? Because, you don't want to download anything else besides this right here. And this is how Dafont makes money, is through advertisements. So this is the button right here. I'm going to go ahead and click download, and it's downloading to my downloads folder. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring my downloads folder in, and you can sort of see that I've already downloaded before. And on Mac, in order to unzip a file, simply just double click on it, and you'll see that it is extracted and we have a folder. Okay, so I'm just going to double click inside this folder here. And you'll see that we have a .ttf, and that's what we want. So to install on a Mac, it's very easy. We just double click, and this menu pops up right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click the install font. And when that happens, you may get this message right here, but all you have to do is make sure this checkbox is checked and go ahead and click install checked. So now it is in our font library. Let's go see if we can actually use it yet in the Cricut design space. So this one was called Bada Boom. So we're going to go ahead and add some text, and I'm just going to go ahead and type text right here for a temporary placement. And over in the edit panel, so you may have to click edit. And what I always do, if I know that I'm trying to use a system font, I'm going to select system font, and then down here I can go ahead and type, and I'm going to see if Bada Boom is on there. And it's not on there. Well, that was sort of a trick here, because you'll run into this. You'll install a font, you'll wonder where it is, you can't find it. Well, we do have to cycle on and cycle off Cricut Design Space in order for the font to install. So basically, if you have a project here and you would like to save it, make sure you go to save before you close out of this thing. So I'm going to basically just close this tab. I'm going to make sure that I don't have any other Cricut Design Space tabs open. And I'm just going to go up to my little Cricut thing right here. I'm going to go ahead and click Launch Design Space. And once we do that, we'll go ahead and either go back to our project that we were working on, or we can go ahead and click on the Create New Project. Now I can go ahead and add text here, and I'm going to go ahead and Bada Boom. And let's see if we have that font on here now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to go to Edit. Like I said, I always go to System Fonts. And what's great about this also, we get to utilize the search box for Bada Boom. And there it is right here, Bada Boom. And you can see that the text is exactly how we had it over at Dafont. So that's how you install a font. That's how you utilize it within Cricut Design Space. And if you're watching this for Windows users, go ahead and watch the other video, and it's just going to be specifically for Windows, okay?